Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our KuCoin account to our bank account. So for that you need to open up your KuCoin account, and after that make sure that you sell all your existing cryptos into USDT. For that you need to open up trade and then spot trading. After that select the pair of the crypto that you have and sell it for USDT. Suppose I have Bitcoin, so I would just select this pair of BTC to USDT, and over here I will just scroll down and sell Bitcoin for USDT by putting in the price and quantity. After that I will be collecting all the USDT in my account for all the cryptos, and after that I would just open up the trading account, and over here when I just scroll down I will find this option of fiat over here. Just click on it, then I will select the currency of my country. Suppose I want to get the euro in my bank account, so I will just select this pair of USDT for euro, and after that I will just scroll down, and over here I will be able to sell USDT. For that I will just type the price of euro and quantity of USDT, and as soon as I click on sell USDT I will be required to put in my card details, whether credit card details or debit card, or I can also get the money in my PayPal account. So this is how you get the money from your KuCoin to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.